Sardar Patel's vision united 562 princely states into one nation. Today, we celebrate that unity. National Unity Day, that is, Rashtriya Ekta Divas, was introduced by Government of India in 2014 to celebrate the legacy of the Iron Man of India, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel.
On Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel's 143rd birth anniversary, that is October 31st, 2018, the Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated the famous Statue of Unity near the Narmada River in Gujarat,
where he coined the iconic slogan, Ek Bharat, Shresh Bharat. The Statue of Unity stands tall, symbolizing the unity and diversity of our nation. A commemorative stamp is also issued by the Government of India on National Unity Day, depicting Statue of Unity and Sardar Patel.
For us Indians, unity isn't just a concept, it's a way of life, helping each other, standing together in times of need.
On this National Unity Day, let's honor Sardar Patel's vision of a united India.
United we stand, join hands for a stronger united India. Amazing, right? Stay tuned for more.
We are coming soon with our new radio station.
#We Kids Can Do It.